Assalamualaikum. Today I will present my PSM1 project proposal. My name is Muhammad John Shah bin MD Idros. My topic is 2D platform game level design editor. I will explain briefly about game level design editor. It is used to help developer to create their own game level based on their creativity. So the level design editor itself used as an interface which allow collaboration of human designer and AI agent to solve game level design problem. The aim of this project is to develop a 2D platform game level design editor which is for PC use that will help beginner developer to learn some basic knowledge in game development. Problem background for this project is that beginner developer have no strong knowledge or experience. In order to develop their own game, they need to know how to design game level. So there are so much game level design editor out there, but not all of them have teach how to develop a game like in a real game development. So this project is proposed to help the beginner developer to design a 2D platform game level by using the editor, because this is a good starter for them. A 2D platform game is the simplest genre in game and can be made easily, so they will gain some basic knowledge by using this editor and gain some experience on game development while enjoying the process. So the objective of this project is to analyze requirement of this editor to develop an editor which can be used to design 2D platform game level, to implement algorithm for developing 2D platform game level design editor, and to evaluate the performance and the functionality of the editor. The scope of this project is the editor is for PC use only. It focuses on developing a 2D platform game level. The target user mostly focus on beginner developer who willing to learn some basic knowledge of game development. So the significance of this project is to give opportunities for beginner developers to explore and gain some basic knowledge about game development. Some terms are found during the literature review of this project. Some points are collected from study of people around the world. So the first term is 2D game. It is said that 2D game happen in 2D plane, picture is flat and have no depth, while platform game can be classified as an action game, but some says that platform game can be classified as an action game or a puzzle game. The game level design is the representation of player's experience where player interaction occur in a game. Platformer game level should include different components which can be categorized to their purpose in the level, such as avatar, enemy and item, which have different purpose on the game level. And then the game level editor concerns on letting end user to customize their own game level and content within a given video game. Tool used for this project is FNA, Microsoft.NET and Unity. FNA is a re-implementation of Microsoft XNA Game Studio 4 refresh library, support desktop platform, can be used in OS such as Windows, Linux and Mac OS. It is still be used by many developers to create or to develop game. And then Microsoft.NET is a free cross-platform open source developer platform, have multiple language editors and library, can build application in different platform. Language allowed in .NET application are C#, F#, and Visual Basic. .NET implementation allow .NET code to be executed in different OS such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Then .NET have NuGet package manager which maintain .NET ecosystem and be used in order to search and obtain .NET open source library. Lastly is Unity, which is other alternative way to develop this project. It is a development platform which can be used to develop apps and games. It covers 2D and 3D project and can be used in different platforms such as PC, Android, and iOS. These three tools might help in the development of the editor, since these three tools are possible tools to be used. The methodology of this project is using waterfall model. The first phase is requirement analysis phase, which analyze issue and identify project requirement obtained. After that, we go to design phase, which consists of structure design and interface design need to be completed before doing implementation, because the design phase helps to see clearly what are the features and functionality need to be implemented in this project. The implementation required coding and build to device, which is PC device. The testing phase is for functionality of the editor and the result will be recorded. And then the last phase is maintenance, which is the improvement of the editor after getting feedback or suggestion. Hardware and software used in this project is hardware PC Acer Nitro, processor Intel Core i7, graphic card GeForce GTX 1660 Ti, 8GB RAM, and 256GB minimum storage. Software is Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio for IDE, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe SD, GIMP, and Paint for image editing and GUI, and OS used is Windows 10, and of course Unity also being used for software. Requirement analysis. There are functional requirement and non-functional requirement. Functional requirement, user can create and open existing project, and then user can design their game level for each scene. User can manage scenes. User can load objects. User can set object behavior for each loaded object, and then user can choose background provided by the editor for each scene. Lastly, user are allowed to test the created game level based on their creativity. Non-functional requirement for this project is user can create game level using asset provided by the editor. The game level should run exactly as user desire, and each object in the scene in the game level act as the asset behavior. This is the use case diagram for this project. User can create project. Then if user create project, user will enter project title. User can also open project file an existing project. User can create level, which consists of adding scenes, load object, select background for scene, set behavior for object, and then lastly user can test the game level. This is the pre-designed interface for the project. Number 1 shows the start screen of the editor. User can choose whether to create new project or open an existing project file. If user create new, then go to figure 2, which user enter title of the game, and then go to the left picture. At the leftmost, there is a button with add symbol, plus symbol, to add multiple scene there and rearrange them according to order from top to bottom. After adding scene, user can select background for each scene as in figure number 3, and then at the left picture here we have word like character, block, enemies and item. All of them are objects which can be loaded into the scene. So if user choose blocks, then picture number 4, which is several objects, will be displayed, and user can choose any objects there and place them according to the tile map. And then picture number 5 is to set the behavior for each object in the scene. User can also save the progress of designing the game level by clicking on the save button, and user can click on play button to test their game level. That's all. Thank you.